Nagkuan ko dito, nagunting ako ng damit ni Jenny kay tatahiin ko ito. Yay! Tapos na ako magtahi. You see the back? Yeah, that's okay now. Later na the wings. Uy, nag-wings pa ka. Ang haba kasi nito, so kailangan ko siyang tahiin para maging hindi mahaba. Tingnan nyo, may angel dito, oh.
My little angel.
May si Jenny. Stand up there.
I wanted to try the wings on Jack.
Wait.
Oh, look at the angel, Mum.
There's an angel.
It's an angel. Oh my god. It's a beautiful angel.
Asala si Jack. Look at Jack. Jack, what's that, Jack? Angel?
It's an angel,
There's
Jack. His face.
Hello. Ano? Birthday girl natin mag-decorate. Hi!
This one is he's smelling.
Yan yung kanyang cake.
Ah.
There you go. JJ will help.
Jenny. Oh. Hold it.
Onsa man na.
You gotta press it in there.
I think you have to press it.
You gotta press it, yeah.
Okay.
Wow! Nice cake! May kwento ako sa inyo mamaya. Kay mayroong nangyari
I
kanina.
don't put it on the
Bago ito. Bago ang lahat ng kababalaghan. Oh, that's nice. Wow! Is that your cake, Jenny? How old are you now? Huh? 5. Want to join, Jack? Jack want to join? Want to join? Oy! Sawan na. Join daw si Jack, be. Mag-decorate, be. Kibo. Jack, oo. Drama. Be. Join si Jack. Give Jack, anak. 1.
Okay.
Dito, put dito, Jack. Yeah. Oh,
You should put that on the side, make it look pretty.
Okay. Wait, oh, never mind. Oh, you meant like this one. I'm gonna put the sprinkle on the side.
Oh, you have sprinkles on the side.
Yeah, like
Oh, put them on the
this.
side then.
okay.
That's so much
Someone.
side.
What's
It's
over there?
like
Oh,
a
Jack!
big yarn,
Ah,
bite
show yours! Show yours!
big hole. It's
Jack
okay.
have his.
There's one right here.
Okay. Oh. Bigayan ng lula niya yung
What
kanyang
does it say
dress.
confetti? What does it say confetti?
Is it?
It says confetti.
Uy. Hmm.
Did you eat one, JJ?
Yeah.
Is this sweet?
Me too.
Busy kayo mong decorate sa inyong cake.
This tip. This tip.
Ano na imo? Be?
You want all that?
Hmm? No. Show yours, Be. Show. Show.
On his head.
Lord.
There you go.
King
Some
Jack. Happy food ka. Happy ka na. Ha? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
dear
Jennifer. Happy
birthday to
You. Yay! Are you happy, Jenny? Huh? Are you happy?
Why did Jenny press it so hard?
Last time you didn't have your
Do you wanna
birthday
light the
celebration,
cake,
no?
Jenny?
Because you wanted, what did you, last time, your birthday? You just wanted the Roblox? Do you want to celebrate next time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't want Roblox anymore.
No? Okay.
Because this is no fun.
This is more fun.
There you go, Jenny. When you cut your cake.
Can
know
you
how to
cut
do
your
it?
cake?
I know how to.
Oh, JJ help. JJ help.
I can do it. No. Aww.
Let her have her a
Let
slice.
Let Jenny cut hers.
Okay.
Good job. Jenny's turn.
Take it out then, the piece.
Try.
How
Okay.
do I take it?
Done?
No, I put it up.
Oh, she want the balloon in hers. She want the little
That's
balloon.
a big piece of cake, Jenny.
I dropped it.
Agoy. Hala, she eat. Ka, Jack? Cake? Ay, busy si Jack, oh.
What flavor is it?
Acting man kainday, oy. You won't believe, as in, alam nyo ba? Milyonaryo na inyong Inday Eugene. Milyonaryo na ako, oy. So, yun po yung aming ganap sa birthday ni Inday Jenny. Na busy sila, pero teka lang, isingit ko lang ito ng konti, ha. Ang nangyari kasi is, lalabas na talaga sana kami lahat. Hindi na sumama inyong Inday, kay sinumpong na naman ang baliw na babae. Nagsapot ako, so sila lang kanina naglabas, binilhan siya ng kanyang daddy ng toys at mga cake. But anyways, ang iyong Inday, nag-celebrate kami ng birthday. At nag-celebrate ako na millionaire na ako. Ay, nako. Alam nyo ba, di ako makapaniwala. Chinek ko po yung lahat ng sahod ko in total sahod sa YouTube. Wala akong viewers. Mag-upload ako dati, 100 lang yung viewers. Tapos yung subscriber ko, kulang-kulang pa ganun. Nakikipag-sub to sub pa ako. So, out of curiosity, chinek ko lahat. Ang total ng sahod ko, hoy. Millionaire naman dahi ko, no? Nariya na pala sana ako. Iwan ko saan nagpunta lahat ng pira, no? Pag itotal natin lahat ng ating gastusin, umabot na pala ng milyon-milyon. Pero hindi ko alam. Ang napundar lang namin yung lupa. Mayroon pa kaming isang napundar na hindi ko pa nasabi sa inyo. Soon na yan. Pag nakauwi ako ng Pilipinas, ipapakita ko sa inyo. At yung, meron tatlo pala. O, ang dami napundar na Inday, no? Okay, ganito lang yun ng Inday. May napundar ito. Napundar na yuta sa kuko. Pero, sa katotohanan lang, ha, ang nakita, pero at least may nakita ako ng konti. Yes? Yeah, I will now. May nakita ako ng konti. So, tinotal ko lahat as in sobrang laki na po sa pounds. Lahat-lahat, ilang years? 19, 20 man ata ako talaga nagkasahod ng start 2021. For 5 years. Milyon-milyon na po yung aking sahod. Pero, asa man yun napadulong, guys? Sabi ko po, grabe, ang laki pala ng sahod ko ba pag itotal lahat? Pero asan man sila? Uy, nagpuntahan. Ganyan talaga ang buhay pag nanay. Hindi talaga natin alam kung saan nagpupunta. Mostly sa food. At saka nakasave din ako dati. At iwan ko yung savings namin ni Wayne. Kasi dati nabibigay talaga ako ng malaki kay Wayne. Nung malaki pa yung sahod ko, nabibigay ako sa kanya. Kaya meron kasing iba nagsabi na why not daw i-help ko si Wayne. Ganito ganyan, mga bayarin. All the time naman ako nagtutulong. Oy. Oh, he's here? Na. Mata na dudong. Millionaire Jackie Boy. Here. Hi. Kung sinave ko lang siguro lahat, walang gastusin. Ang laki-laki na siguro nang nasave ko ngayon. Pero ang dami kasi nating gastusin. Lalo na, may mga ganyan, oh. Meron pa itong dagdag isa, oh. May isa pa doon sa kusina.
Jackie Boy!
Pero at least, happy si Jenny's kanyang birthday. And thank you for the greetings, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Jenny. Jenny is 5 years old.
Just got a new
Wayne hair with big belly and show your doggy. Yeah, oko sa lotol. Oh, JJ's doggy. You're millionaire, Jack? Millionaire? It's kuan ni siya kanang, what you call that? That is no price? Priceless. You cannot buy Jack a million. Even they buy you 1,000 billion. I will not sell you, Jack. Si Jenny, yan yung binili ng kanyang papa. Yung bahay kay mayroong mga motorsiklo dito, mayroong mga kuan. Where's the dress, anak? Mayroon pang dress na kailangan kong ikat kay si Jennifer. Angel po yung kanyang Angel yung kanyang tawag dito roll. Yan magsuot siya Angel kaso sobrang haba. So magiging mananahin yung inday niyon. Ito ikakat ko siguro. Anuhin ko kaya to siya ikat or i-fold lang? Ano kaya yung mas maganda? Agoy, tuan lang sila. To silotol. Wala pa ako natapos maglinis ng kusina. Kaya baka magalit na naman si Madam dyan sa baba na dumi-dumi daw ng aming bahay daw. Sabi ko, Jack, nabisi ba ya si Mami? Ina ba? Bisi ba yan ako, Mami? Kasi sige ba kung dikit, alim mura man kong baki. Ina. Pag, if I'm awake, para kong baki, di ko magpalagay, magpalapag.
No, he wasn't.
Donut was next to me.
Why was he on the train?
Honey, can you hold this, Jack? Please.
Excuse me, JJ, let me just get Jack down.
Allah. She hurt.
From what?